We have the living space and the dining space. In the living area itself, they have given the modular L-shaped kitchen, huge media room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Anchor Brunda, and today we will be doing the 4 BHK villa tour of Capstone the Midsummer Rain by Capstone Life. Right now I am standing at the entrance of this project. Within 50 meters of the main entrance, we have the marketing office and our land parcel. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you what exactly Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with the developers, thereby giving you the best bottom price guarantee. Unlike other listing platforms, if you do a single enquiry, your contact number will be shared with multiple brokers. But in Housey, you just don't have to worry, because in Housey, the listings will be done by the developers and not by the brokers. So you can build your dream home only through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across 18 acres of premium land parcel, offering you exclusively 123 villas with 4 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the amenities part, you can experience up to 25 plus ultra luxurious amenities such as basketball court, landscape gardens, football court and many more amenities. Now let's talk about the location part. This project is located on IVC Road in Sanne Ammanikere, Devanhalli, Bangalore. Right now I am standing in front of the IVC Road. This road is IVC Road. Towards my left hand side, this road connects you towards NH44, and towards my right hand side, this road connects you towards IVC Road as well as Sadahalli Junction. Coming to the nearest landmarks from this project, we can reach NH44 in just 1.8 kilometer. And we have Bangalore International Airport and just 8 kilometers away from this project. So now let's check out their 4 BHK villa of 4067 square feet super built up area. Come. So the space which you are seeing next to the villa is the parking zone. You can park your two-wheeler or car in this especially parking zone. Now let's check the villa. So this is the very spacious and the ultra luxurious 4 BHK villa of Capstone Midsummer Rain. Here you can see the huge main door. They have provided the digital lock door for your security purpose. So this is the huge entrance space or the foyer area which comes with vitrified tiles as well as the ceiling. We have the living space and the dining space. In the living area itself, left hand side of the main door, we have the kitchen. I will take you to the kitchen. Before that, let's explore the backyard and the dining and the living space. Come. So this is the kind of a lobby unit. You can keep your couches over here. For your reference, they have added the couches in this particular space. So this is 7 to 8 seating of the spacious dining table for your family time or to have your food in this particular zone. And this is the very spacious living area. You can add your sofa set over here. For your reference purpose, they have added the sofa set over here. And this side, we have the huge TV unit. You can add your TV unit over here. So this is the space for the perfect family gatherings. And of course, how can I forget the balcony and the backyard? So here we have the spacious balcony or the backyard. Okay, now let's check out the backyard. So this backyard comes with anti-skid wooden flooring as well as end to end we can see the open view and we can enjoy the nature view here. You can also do the gardening over here as they have done the gardening for your reference purpose. So this is the spacious end-to-end backyard. So exactly, completely the villa back, the space they have utilized as the gardening purpose. And also they have given a small sit out here. You can sit and relax and enjoy the nature view. So this is all about the backyard or the balcony. And they have given the mosquito mesh as well for the balcony. So now let's check out the spacious kitchen. I already told you, exactly towards the left hand side of the main door, we have the spacious kitchen. So here is the lovely and the prettiest kitchen and the very huge luxury kitchen. They have given the modular L-shaped kitchen. This is the countertop they have given here. We have the separate sink zone. This table you can utilize as a breakfast counter as well. And here we have the utility space as well. So this we have the utility space over here. It comes with anti-skid ceramic tiles. And also we have the separate sink zone in the utility area. And also we have the cabinets to keep all your necessary items. This is the cabinets they have given. It's all given for your reference purpose. Now let's check out the bedroom number 1. So exactly in front of the kitchen we have bedroom number 1. Come, let's explore the bedroom number 1. So this is the bedroom number 1. You can consider it as a guest bedroom as well. So this bedroom number 1 comes with vitrified tiles as well as the POP. Here you can see this is the spacious bed space. Exactly next to the bed space we have the huge window which is there for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is the huge window. And here we have the wardrobe. They have added the mirror as well. We have the attached washroom over here. So this attached washroom comes with anti-skid ceramic tiles. We have the separate shower space, separate hand sink, and also CPC high-end sanitary fittings. So this was all about the bedroom number 1. So let's check out the first floor. Come. But before going to the first floor, in the ground floor itself, so inside the villa only, they have provided the lift. You can make use of the lift, and of course they have the staircase as well. So this is the staircase. So now let's go to the first floor. So to go to the first floor, we have to use the spacious staircases. They have also given the handrails for the supporting system. Towards the left hand side, we have the huge window for natural light and ventilation purpose. Once we climb the first floor, we will be reaching the family lounge. Here is the huge and the spacious family lounge. Here you can see the open window for natural light and ventilation purpose. Here if you add up a huge TV, it will become a perfect home theater in this particular area. So in this first floor, we have 2 bedrooms. One is the bedroom number 2, another one is master bedroom. So now let's check out the bedroom number 2. Come. So this is the very spacious bedroom number 2. It comes with vitrified tiles as well as the amazing POP. For your reference, they have done this setup. This is the spacious bed space over here. So they have given the ample space of the bed area so that you can walk in and around the bed area. This is the spacious wardrobe setup they have given, and also they have given the mirror as well. Here we have the window again for natural light and ventilation. We have the attached washroom as well. And this washroom has end-to-end vitrified tiles as well as anti-skid tiles, separate sink space, separate shower space, and of course separate toilet we have. And of course we have the CPC sanitary fittings. So this is all about the attached washroom. And here you can see the study table. You can convert it as a workstation as well. Here they have given a small setup for just a relaxing space. Here we have the huge and the spacious 3-side balcony. So this is the very spacious kind of a private balcony. It has anti-skid wooden flooring as well as the wooden plates in the ceiling. For your reference, they have added the chairs and the table. You can enjoy your perfect evening by having a cup of coffee, tea, and of course, you can enjoy the nature view as well. So this is all about the bedroom number 2. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before checking out the master bedroom, let me tell you the key features of Housey. Housey provides actual location tour, actual and sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment and EMI schedule, 360-degree virtual location tour. All these wonderful features are available in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Do register on www.housey.com to book your free site visit now and check out this luxurious villa. Come, let's check out the master bedroom. So we have the master bedroom exactly next to the family lounge. This is the very spacious, luxurious master bedroom. So this is the huge and the very spacious master bedroom. It comes with anti-skid wooden flooring and amazing POP with the spotlights. Here you can see the huge and the very spacious bed space. They have given the spacious space so that you can walk in and around the bed area. Here they have given the study table. You can convert it as a workstation as well. Here we have the huge TV unit. You can add a TV and enjoy your movies in the master bedroom. So here we have the attached balcony. They have given the mosquito mesh as well. This is the huge balcony, private balcony. It comes with anti-skid wooden flooring as well as 3-side open balcony. You can enjoy the nature view. It also gives the natural light and ventilation as well. So this is all about the spacious balcony. So they have the attached washroom as well. So let's check out the attached washroom. Come. So the unique lifestyle in this particular master bedroom is the walk-in wardrobe. It comes with again the anti-skid wooden flooring, the spacious wardrobe setup they have given. This is the spacious wardrobe setup. It also has the huge dressing table. So here you can see the huge dressing table. Now let's check out the attached washroom. This is the spacious attached washroom. It has the huge modular hand sink. It comes with anti-skid ceramic tiles. It has end-to-end vitrified tiles, a huge mirror. It has 2 sink area and also they have given the cabinets. We have the separate toilet and also separate shower space. It also has the CPC high durable sanitary fittings. So this is all about the master bedroom. So let's check out the second floor. Come. By taking the passage of the family lounge, and I also told you that end to end we have the lift. You can also access the lift to reach each and every single floor. Now by taking the staircases, let's check out the second floor. Come. We have the vitrified and the spacious space to reach the second floor, as well as they have provided the handrails for the supporting system. They have given the huge window for natural light and of course for the ventilation purpose. So we reach the second floor. Exactly in this second floor, we have the last 1 bedroom, open terrace and 1 special room. So first let's check out the special room. Come. So this is the very spacious special room, kind of a huge media room. So this is kind of a amphitheater, kind of a huge media room. It comes with anti-skid wooden flooring as well as the POP. You can see the huge window for natural light and ventilation. For your reference purpose, they have added the couches over here. You can also add the huge sofa set. It will become a perfect movie time. They have added the huge TV over here. You can enjoy the movie time in this particular media room. So let's check out the one left bedroom, that is the fourth bedroom of this premium villa. Towards the right hand side of the media room, we have the fourth bedroom. So this is the fourth bedroom of this 4067 square feet super built up area. It comes with vitrified tiles and the amazing POP with the spotlights. Here you can see the huge and the spacious bed space. They have given the ample space to walk in and around the bed. Here they have given the huge workstation. You can also add the TV unit as well. Exactly towards the left hand side of the bed space, we have the attached balcony as well. It also comes with the attached and the private balcony. This private balcony comes with anti-skid wooden flooring as well as the iron railings. It's kind of a private balcony. You can add a small swing. You can enjoy the nature view, and of course you will obviously get the natural light and the ventilation purpose. So the space which you are seeing over here is the open wardrobe concept they have added here. You can just hang your closets in this overall the spacious wardrobe setup. They have also added the huge mirror for your reference purpose. So this is all about the wardrobe area setup. Next to the wardrobe area setup, we have the attached washroom. So here is the attached washroom. It comes with anti-skid tiles. It has the separate sink zone, shower space as well as the toilet. So this is the attached washroom they have given. It also has the CPC sanitary fittings and end-to-end vitrified tiles. So this is all about the fourth bedroom of this villa. So let's check out the one more important thing we have in this villa. So let's check out the look out the huge terrace, open terrace they have given over here. So this is the huge and the very spacious open terrace. For your reference, they have added the table and chairs, and of course they have added the kind of a sofa. Here is the seating space. This is the spacious seating space. You can also add up your washing machine over here. So this is end-to-end lush greenery, nature view. So guys, I hope you like this 4 BHK premium villa. So everyone, as you all know, today we are in the 4 BHK premium villa of Capstone, the Midsummer Rain by Capstone Life. And as you all know, today we are in Devanahalli location. If you come across any other projects in this Devanahalli location, do let me in the comment section. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe Housey. Until next video, this is Anka Vrunda signing off. See you in the next project walkthrough.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.